Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the pet or item in your inventory and the other player on your friends list. Open the game's trade UI and position both avatars close together. Proximity often triggers trade options. Once done, right-click the player or use the trade button from the interaction menu to send a request. You do this now to avoid lost offers. Being ready speeds the exchange and prevents accidental declines or mismatch. After the other player accepts, you place your pet or item into the offer slot, and the other player places theirs. You should state the exact tiers or special attributes out loud or in chat so both sides understand value. Use the confirm button only when you visually verify both offers. Do not rush. Once you see their item and attributes, double-check for evolving or limited tags. This prevents regret and explains why confirmations protect you. Finally, click confirm and wait for the other player's final accept. The trade completes only after both confirms. If the trade fails or cancels, first check connectivity and server lag, then verify neither inventory is full and both remain friends. If items vanish or a mismatch appears, immediately cancel and reopen the trade, then report suspicious behavior to admins. Remember, pausing to verify prevents losses, and reporting protects you and other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.